Hello everyone, my name Alian Isan Hakim, name 632400051.
My name is Sophia Ramadhani. Name 632414146. Where is explain both software and hardware.
First material, software and operating system. Learning objective expands software distributes software based on linear software and the function. What is software? Software is a content of data of instruction in a programming language and used to operating a computer. Software based on license, freeware, secondware, hardware, commercial software. Freeware freeware is software in the is free to use, but the social code is not available for modification. It usual realistic computer. Example of freeware at least one LibreOffice, 2 First Media Player, 3 Mozilla Firefox, 4 About Teen. Swear is software that can be used for free for limited time. After the trial, present and the use must purchase a license. Example of software application we are Sublime Next, Python Pro, Commander Can. Hardware is software that is free to use but comes with affectiveness. The developer provision comments for the ADS display. Example of hardware application: Spotify, Concert, Freebell, DXClan.
Commercial software is software that must be free set to be used legal. Usually 3 in November version or only a trailer version. Example, About Photo software for editing photo. CorelDRAW software used to create graphic design. Windows is an operating system created by Microsoft. Microsoft Office software developed by Microsoft. Software can be classified based on its source into type. 1. Open source means that its source code can be accessed, modified, and distributed to the public. Example of cross software: Linux, Mozilla Firefox, OpenOffice, and Android. 2. Closed source on the other hand has all code that is not accessible to the public and user request and listen to Azure. Example: Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Office, Adobe Photoshop. Operating system: computer operating system influence the special operating system. The I in such a way. In Jammer operating system is software, and the first layer is placed in the computer memory when the computer is turned on. Buttons. Here are the operating system: Windows, Apple macOS, Linux, Apple iOS, dan Google Android.
Second, material hardware. Listening objective. Example hardware. Example hardware function tips. The importance of knowing hardware completion. One is hardware. Hardware is simple. All the physical computers of physical component of computer or organ electrons dividing the you can see and the touch. General function of hardware. They can be input, give output, stored information, data in the data, process information and data. For type hardware. 1. Hardware input is hardware the function to relation the enter data or instruction form used into the computer system. Example: mouse, microscope, keyboard, webcam. 2. Hardware output is computer hardware. The is did we splinting or converting the resolution that data process to the use. Example: monitor, earphone, printing, and projector. 3. Hardware processing is a computer hardware processing that is responsible for carrying out computing operating. Example: CPU, Central Processing Unit; GPU, General Projection Unit; and RAM, Random Accession RAM.
Storage device is a typical device used to store data and program permanent or temporary in a computer on other than two devices. Example 1. HDD and data storage device, then use spinning magnetic disk to store and retrieve data. 2. SSD and data storage device on a computer that you integrate virtual IC to store data. 3. Flash drive and portable data storage device that use flash memory and integrated USB in flash. 4. Memory card in a digital storage device. The importance of knowing hardware components. 4. 1. Understand how computer we know hardware component. Help understand how computer reset, process, and output data. 2. Help is maintenance and refill. By knowing hardware will keep more easily detect damage and perform routine maintenance. 3. Makes the tender when of reading or processing component. If we other time the basic type of hardware, we can choose the basic that suit those that are compatible. 4. Super aid of digital technology learning hardware. Knowledge is the basis for learning more about network programming and information technology. In conclusion, hardware and software are not alien computer because both are basic concepts in the world of technology. Hardware and software are so inseparable from everyday life. Hardware and software are so dedicated. Software can be likened to favor. Interest in hardware and the body.
The is for group thank you after entertain well the or have the will for all of you.